This is our homemade Spanish bread. We'll check and see if it is good or not, okay? We'll check it out. Try it, Day.
Cheers, Dan.
My friends, this is the Spanish bread. Look what happened. Let's try it.
Delicious.
That's pretty good.
Good job, Dan.
That's pretty good, huh? Cheers, my friends. With coffee in the morning, this is very good. Spanish bread, homemade. It's soft and it smells good. That's pretty good. I'm impressed.
Pwede nang mamalinggit ka.
Pwede naman maligya. It's very good. I'm impressed. My friends, please follow us. I will post this in YouTube, and then you can follow the recipe. It's really good. So give us a like, subscribe, and then hit that bell button so in our next video you get notified. Thank you, and thanks for watching. My friends, my family and friends, today we're going to make Spanish bread, Filipino style. So the ingredients we have 1 cup of breadcrumbs. This is for coating. And then we have brown sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. And then milk. And then I put some honey. Just follow my video because I'm going to show you the ingredients. And of course 1 teaspoon of salt. And this 1.5 cup of milk, I have to put 1 or 2 teaspoon of dry yeast. So 2, and then 2 egg yolk, and then 1 stick of melted butter, and then those who love vanilla, you can put vanilla. I love vanilla. And then we have 1.5 cup of white sugar, and then 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, first thing I already melted the sugar. I have to warm the milk, and then put 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, and then 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, I warmed the milk. I will put 2 teaspoons of make sure the milk is not too hot or we'll have a problem. And then sugar. Okay. And then you're gonna mix it well. You need to mix this well. And then when this rises up to full of this, or almost, then you mix that with the rest of the ingredients. Okay, my friends, after you mix the the ingredients and the yeast mixture. Pour in here and then turn it on until it's nice and fluffy. And then watch, make sure it's mixed well. Okay, here is the first batch. So I already dipped into the eggs or butter, and then into the breadcrumbs. So this is the first one, and then bake it for like 325 degrees for until golden brown. And then we have to work on the second batch. Okay, my friends, we'll show you later. My friends, baked it at 325 for 30-35 minutes until golden brown. Some of the oven is a little bit different. My other oven is 350. So depending on your oven, 350 or 325. Some they said 300. So it depends. So you will learn while doing it. So if the last time I put in my other oven for 350, this one is a little bit faster and we heat up very fast. So 325, around 30-35 minutes. My family and friends, here is the finished product of the Spanish bread. And we'll see how it tastes like. We'll let you know.